Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video from Loverboy. In this video, I'm going to be playing Insane Craft. Okay, let me get some wood. Hello, wood. How is that happening? I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be a vein miner in this. Why can't I vein mine? 1 second, let me search my vein miner. Hey guys, I got my vein miner fixed. Yep, I definitely got it fixed. No, tell me you won't attack. Nope, you definitely will attack. Now I need to go. Need to run and okay, I have escaped. I think. Why is there a death marker there? Oh my gosh! I don't think I should have done that. Anyways, I'm just going to find a bunch of trees. And I forgot stuff. There's so many. Oh my gosh! Can I just? Hello, clicky. Nope, my clicking is not working. Okay, the game is glitching out for some reason. Now will it work? Guys, I fixed the problem. Turns out the touchscreen mode was on for some reason. Okay, I have to do is dig down. Huh. Oh, there's iron in there. Okay. Hopefully it works like normal cobble. Can I just get... It works like normal cobble. Good. Let me craft some tools with this. I mean that. And a sword. Craft a sword. Okay. Chameleon. This is going. Oh my god, I give a crystallized flower. Take that. I think they turn into magic crystal, yes. Oh my god. Huh. Oh, crafting station. Yes, that's what I want. Okay, let me just excavate this tree. Yep, and my axe is still not broken. Great wood. Here I have a ton of great wood. I think I'm off to a bad start. Oh my gosh, you're not allowed to combo me. I'm not used to playing Java Edition because I'm a Bedrock Edition player. And Is it? Oh, someone's a spawner. And if I can pick it up, I picked up the monster spawner. Well, I don't think it's gonna spawn anything anyways. So yeah, let's just raid this. Mana steel. Antlers. I don't want birds left me. Do I want touch of bell? No, not rotten flesh. Carved ruin of travel, I'll take it. I need all that gold. Spellbook. Yes. Okay. I don't know what the antlers do. Can I put them on? I'll just hold on to them for now. It's just... Okay, I can't do anything. Let me just... Oh. Hey. Hello, zombie friend. Okay. I ran out of hunger. Can I even eat? Okay, perfect. Oh my god, no, 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 no. I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. I'm gone, please don't hurt me. No, oh my god. Can I even, oh, I can't even teleport there. Finally. Made it back. I can become a beekeeper, but, oh no, I'm getting attacked by, nope, I'm gone. No, 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 you're not going to. Oh my gosh, I missed. So bad at PvP. Yeah, I'm gonna use this sword. Anything good from this? Antlers, rotten flesh, no. Oh wait, I just feel that I can delete stuff. Maybe I'll delete that. Can't imagine needing that. Me told you to stay away. Guys, I made a mistake of hitting these. Oh my gosh, I just hate this. I hate the skeleton. Just die already. Okay guys, so I've made a little bit of a house for myself. And I'm gonna try and grab this guy. Can you please fly down? Okay, Rooster attacks me. Okay, I'll keep in mind everything I see can attack me. Huh. This is weird. Can I fight you? I can't fight you. Okay, you just stay there. Food. Okay. What if I can just plant? No, I can't plant it. Can I mine it? Okay, I can mine it. Just want one stack of it. Actually, let's stack appetite. Okay, I'm gonna take everything. Okay. Amber. I don't know what that is. Okay, I want iron. No, you stay away. Stay away. I need custom weapons like right now. Oh my god. I just hate the amount of monsters that are there. Good, no monster here. Maybe I should collect the rest of these, and my pickaxe is almost broken. Let's just mine that, and let's get out of here. Yes. With everything that I got. Okay guys, I've got to get into this actually modded stuff other than this thing. Okay, so now what I need to do is figure out what I can use appetite for. Maybe armor? No, a sword maybe? Just search appetite. Appetite. Oh, is that bookmarked? I got normal cobblestone. Making compressed cobblestone, turning it back to the normal one. Okay, I have no idea what to do with these, so these are all just going up for storage. Okay, I think it's time to go to bed. Crap, I need to hunt sheep. Can sheep spawn, please? Hello, sheep. Pretty sure I killed a sheep somewhere around here. Let's break it. Okay. Can I break this? I think that's not it. I Okay guys, I'm gonna end up the video here. Please give me tips and stuff because I need them. And thank you for watching.